Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off Find My iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to turn off your Find My and your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. Now in settings, just tap on your Apple ID and here you'll see the Find My option. You must have to select Find My and then select Find My iPhone here and just tap on this toggle to disable this. So you must have to try to verify yourself using your Apple ID password. So after entering your Apple ID password, just tap on the turn off option and your Find My iPhone will be turned off. But sometimes you might see the error that your stolen device protection is enabled. So we just have to go ahead to your Face ID and passcode and here just enter your iPhone passcode and then you just have to select stolen device protection. So if you will see that it is enabled, so you are unable to turn off Find My. Very first you have to try to disable this, and once you have disabled this toggle, so sometime it might be held as security delay, so you just have to wait for 1 hour. So after 1 hour you can disable this toggle, and once you have disabled this toggle, your Find My iPhone will be successfully and completely disabled. So in this way you can easily turn off Find My iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.